And the Golden Rule Magician goes to schools and does anti-bullying assemblies. And here we are. This is just a quick tip from the Golden Rule Magician. See this wonderful shirt? What do you think this is?
It looks like a shirt that you're wearing.
Exactly. So what I do, and I want everyone to know this, is when you find the right color for your eyes and your look and your feel, you want to get an extra one. And so when did I get this? 2015, September 4th. It was $30, and I haven't yet opened it until now. I'm going to open it now.
A treat for this shirt.
Yeah, I've had 3 shirts that are identical that I'm wearing now, and I haven't yet run out. But I figure that having this is important, because that way you can keep the look. You know, fashions change. Big time they change.
Huge.
And it's hard to find the right color every year. So the year that you do find it, don't be afraid to buy extras, everybody. Take a good look at that. It's a brand new shirt. I don't even need this one to be replaced yet, but I'm just telling you this practice because it's one of those smart tips right here from the Golden Rule Magician.